Good morning, dear student. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to start question number 7 of your exercise 12.1. So without wasting any time, let's start the question. So here you can see the question is find the number of cakes of soap each measuring 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That means these measurements are length, breadth and height. That can be placed in a big cuboidal box measuring 1.5 meter, 0.59 meter, 0.5 meter. That means it is also length, breadth and height. So by looking into the measurements, we can clearly have an idea that soap is also of a cuboidal shape, right? And box already mentioned over here is also of a cuboidal shape. Now question is about find the number of soaps that can be fit into the box. So it means that when we are talking about fitting into the box, fitting into means it is going to acquire some space, and when something is acquiring some space, so it means that we are talking about volume. So simply what is question? Question is about volume of a cuboidal box. Volume of cuboidal box. It means that it has to be equal to the number of soaps that are going to fit into it. Number of soaps fit into it. Right or not? According to the question, it should be like that only, that how many soaps we are going to fit into the cuboidal box. So it means the volume of the cuboidal box has to be equal to the volume of soaps that are going to fit into this, right? So it means what we are going to do in this question, basically we have to, let me erase this, we have to understand that volume of cuboidal box has to be equal to the number, and I will take as number, right? What? Number of soaps into volume of one soap. If we are able to find the volume of one soap, right, and we will multiply how many soaps we are going to put into the box, right? So that way we can get to know, right or not? So what we are going to do, we have to find out the volume of a cuboidal box. We have to find out the volume of one soap, right? And as per this concept, as we know that it will be equal to each other, we have to divide the volume of box divided by volume of one soap, so that we will get to know exactly how many we are going to put into the box, right? So let's start with this. We are using the same equation and we are going to, so the number of soaps as per the discussed concept will be equal to volume of box divided by volume of one soap, right? So volume of box, it is a cuboidal box, so its volume will be length into breadth into height, right? And soap is also in the cuboidal shape, so its volume will also be length 1, B1, H1, right? Length into breadth into height. I have differentiated both of them by taking it as 1, 1, 1, right? So the length of the box is 1.5 meter. So here let me show you that it is 1.5 meter, it is 0.9 meter and the height is 0.5 meter. But if you remember, I have always tell you that whenever we are doing calculation, so we have to pay attention towards the unit, and the unit of each and every number has to be same. So here we can see that these are given in centimeter and these are given in meter. So better is to convert meter into centimeter. So let's convert it. We know that to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply it by 100 centimeter, right? So I'm going to multiply it, right? So it will be what? It will become 1, we will remove the decimal, or one decimal place 10 get cancelled, so 150 centimeter. Here it will be 0.9 into 100, so it will be 90 centimeter, and this will be 0.5 into 100 centimeter, so it will be 50 centimeter. So we have converted into centimeters. You can see here centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Now plot the same value here, right? So I'm going to put that 150 into 90 and into 50, right? Because 3 centimeters are here, so it will be centimeter cube. Similarly, this values 9 into 5 into 2. Here also 3 centimeters are there. Centimeter is getting multiplied with centimeter, 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 centimeter 3 times. So it will be centimeter cube. Centimeter cube से centimeter cube get cancelled. Now cancel the rest part. 9, it will be 10. 5, it will be 10. And then 2 ones are 2 fives are. So we are left with 150 into 10 into 5, which ultimately comes 7500. So it means that the number of soaps that are going to fit, in the box are 7500. Right, children? So always keep in mind, whenever you wanted to find out how many or the number of something that are going to be fit into any object, so always the volume of the bigger will always be divided by the volume of the smaller quantity, right? If you wanted to check your answer ki whether the volumes are equal or not, so let's verify whether our answer is coming correct or not. So hence we have now only calculated it, that the volume of box was or is 150 into 90 into 50. If we will calculate this, so we will get almost, I think 150 into 50 will be 7500 into 90. So its answer will be 67,500. Sorry, 67,500. Right, 6,75,000. So let's check whether the number into volume of soaps are coming the same or not. So numbers are 7500, volume will be 9 into 5 into 2. So 7500 into 90. Same numbers are coming, you can see here. So its answer will also be this. So only in this case the volume will be equal to each other. Right. So I hope that I am able to make you understand. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.